Nagas have shown to the world that we are peace-loving people. And we will continue showing to the world that we are peace-loving people, and the government should not take advantage of our peace-loving and keep on denying or taking granted of the demands made by the Naga people in line with the Charter of Demand placed by the United Nations. Even after 30 days, the government's failure to book or to arrest even a single culprits or perpetrators who are involved in the abduction and brutally killing of those 6 Naga hostages is very unfortunate. And the association views this as that the government is not sincere enough. We are confident that if they are sincere, if their intervention is very sincere, the perpetrators and all those culprits who are involved in that heinous crime will be arrested. So the LSAM is organizing this mass rally as a sort of peaceful demonstration to express the voice of the voiceless people, the voiceless Naga families, and the 6 Naga hostages who are kept in the hospital, demanding justice, the immediate justice, arrest the perpetrators involved in the crime. And in the line of the United Naga Council, we are also demanding that the KNFP, who is involved in this crime, should be investigated thoroughly and declared terrorists. And the Sioux agreement which the government of India had given to the Kuki militants, they have misused it. They have misused it as a license to kill the innocent people. That's what we can witness with the killings of all the civilians, including Naga hostages. So, in the line of the demand, of Charter of Demand placed by the United Naga Council, today's demonstration demands to abrogate Sioux agreement. And the KNFP chairman happens to be the husband of the present minister, Lemcha Kipchak. So, the Naga people, the association, would like to question on what ground is that husband of the wife of the Kuki militant is given the post. So that has to be investigated thoroughly and in accordance with the law, even in the rule of law. Lemcha Kipchak has to be involved. So today's demonstration, the Peace Mass Rally, is organized by the ALSAM on behalf of the people, on behalf of the Naga people, on behalf of the 6 hostages, on behalf of the victims, to demand justice and to stand up for our rights. As of now, we didn't receive any of such intervention, even after the reports from the victim families were submitted to the concerned government, to which we would like to request the government to intervene sincerely and book all those suspected perpetrators whose names and photos are given by the victim family. They should be investigated and take action.
Lekat tu noi, sangat kiro. Lekat tu sangat kiro tu kiro. Media ko su yari di lain nama sim bio maning mama hoye lo kan ko wore so to. Mo mesti ko wore so ni ba.